Hello everybody and welcome to Global Tech YouTube channel. We're thrilled to launch our brand new lecture series on e-commerce website development. In this series, we'll dive deep into the world of online commerce, exploring everything from designing user-friendly interfaces to integrating secure payment systems and optimizing your website for success. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn the basics or an experienced developer looking to expand your skills, this series is crafted just for you. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and join us on this exciting journey as we unlock the secrets of building exceptional e-commerce platforms. Let's create something amazing together. First of all, we will create a folder named My Site and then create an index.php file. Let's write welcome note in this page to check the result. Now, we'll create the necessary folders. When creating a website, it's essential to organize your files and directories efficiently for better management and scalability. Here's how we can structure our project. Includes folder. Create a folder named Includes to store reusable files that are included in multiple pages of your website. This folder can hold essential files such as connection files, files used to establish database connections or manage configuration settings. Header and footer files, common sections like headers, footers, or navigation bars that appear on multiple pages. Images folder. Create a folder named Images to save all the images used across your website. This ensures that all visual assets are stored in one centralized location, making them easier to locate and manage. Styles folder. Create a folder named Styles to save your CSS files. Scripts folder. Create a folder named Scripts to save JavaScript files. This folder is used to store all your website's JavaScript code, such as interactive features, animations, and functionality enhancements.